Hello, and welcome to BOI IMPACT, the program that brings you inspiring real-life stories of transformation, empowerment, and entrepreneurship from across Nigeria, powered by the Bank of Industry. I'm Elu Odibomadaki. In this episode, we spotlight another Bank of Industry subsidiary, BOI Microfinance Bank. BOI Microfinance Bank is a limited liability company incorporated under the Companies and Allied Matters Act of 2002. It's fully licensed by the Central Bank of Nigeria and insured by the Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation, NDIC. Since its incorporation in 2008, BOI MFB has delivered a comprehensive range of financial products and services designed for micro, small, and medium-scale enterprises, as well as individuals and groups with limited financial resources. The bank is committed to helping entrepreneurs grow and sustain their businesses through easily accessible loans and expert business advisory services. Join us as we explore how BOI MFB is empowering Nigerians to build from the ground up and is creating a more inclusive and resilient economy for all. Across Nigeria, from bustling city markets to rural roadside stalls, millions of micro-entrepreneurs work tirelessly to earn a living and create impact. Supporting this vital segment is the Bank of Industry Microfinance Bank, a key player in driving financial inclusion and powering the growth of micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises across the nation. To give us deeper insight into the bank's mission and the wide range of products and services it offers, the Managing Director of BOI Microfinance Bank, Mr. Azuka Okofu, shares more light on how the institution is empowering individuals and businesses across Nigeria.
BOI Microfinance Bank is a subsidiary of BOI. Prior to now, we had just SME, large enterprises in BOI. So, but we noticed in BOI that we couldn't reach out to self-employed people, consumer loans, so we realized that there's still a gap, working capital for small business owners, so that we can close up this niche, close up this gap for BOI. We have consumer loans, we have group loans, we have micro savings, we have fixed deposit. BOI is not a DMB, so BOI cannot accept deposit, but the microfinance bank can. So we have savings products, we have a SUSU, we have fixed deposit. These are some of the products that we have in BOI MFB that are quite unique to our operations. We have disbursed over 20.8 billion naira to date to about 13,000 individual MSME customers. We have created about 12,000 direct jobs and about 49,000 indirect jobs. And we're going to do more as our businesses progress. And in these numbers, we've impacted about 6,000 businesses that are managed by women.
My name is Oyero Abosede. The name of my business is Boscobit Global Resources Venture. I heard about BOI Microfinance Bank about 3 years ago, and they helped me seriously without stress. Since we have a business we are doing, BOI Microfinance Bank, we assist the business to flourish, to go up, to be prosper more. In fact, I have 2 locations before. Now I have 5 locations in this local market because BOI helped my business to grow, to expand. Thanks to BOI Microfinance Bank. I have enough funds to fund my business with BOI Microfinance Bank. And if I'm out of funds, I will contact them. They will rise and help my business. And again, I help Nigerian youth again. Because before I had 5 staff, but now I have 20 staff. Here in Okeodo Market, I have 14 shops and in 5 locations. Thank you to BOI Microfinance Bank for helping my business, for helping Boscobit Global Resources do flourish, do excellent. I'm thanking you for all the efforts. Because
my name is Obiora Mbidum. I'm a pharmacist by profession. I had BOI Microfinance through a client of ours who came to the pharmacy and to pick up drugs, and they gave me 10 million naira. Approved within 48 hours. And the good thing about the loan facility they gave to me that you have a means of also saving for yourself, because what you pay monthly, some part of the money is dedicated to your savings, so that at the end of your 1 year, unknowingly or subconsciously, you save some reasonable amount of money that could also be a guarantee for you, or that you can also pull out and do whatever you want to do with. And it was a good one, and I enjoyed that aspect of it. And the money was structured in such a way by 12 months I was done with paying. So in my practice, it has actually increased my reach, the number of pharmacies we have. It also improved my staff's capability, because I had to increase my staff so they can also meet the new challenges we're going to go further. And it also gave us a statement in our environment, because I was readily available in as much as I was appreciated in the community where I practice. But then I have a confidence that anything I want, I can easily get. It goes a long way to show that they actually have my back covered, and I appreciate that fact. And not just for me per se, because of the service they've rendered to me, I've been able to friends and colleagues who need to say, go to Bank of Industry Microfinance. That will give people like us the support we actually needed.
Orúkọ mi ni Ọládìméjì Akande. Mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ alápàtà, mo wà nínú ọjà Òyìngbò. So ìgbà tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ̀ sí fún mi lówó gbà yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ látòrí 250,000. As at now, báyìí pé mò ń ṣe déédéé tí wọ́n increase ẹ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀. Bẹ̀ẹ̀ tí ń sì mo ti ń gba up to 3 million. Ó kó impact tó pọ̀ lórí iṣẹ́ fún mi. Ẹ mọ̀ pé irú ọjà wa yín sìn, àwọn kan wà tó jẹ́ pé a máa ń rà by credit. Ẹ̀tí tẹ́ máa rà ní credit tẹ́ bá mówó dání ó máa yàtọ̀ sí nǹkan téèyàn fẹ́ rà ní credit. Lẹ́nu ìgbà tó di pé mò ń gbowó yẹn mo ti rí oríṣiríṣi ìlọ́tọ̀ fún nǹkan míì tí mo fowó yẹn ṣe nínú ẹ̀. Èmi náà ní káà tí mò ń lò. Ó dà yẹ pé mò ń fi ṣe business látàrí owó yẹn náà ni. So mo tún pray pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run pé tí n bá tún máa gbà míì kó tún pọ̀ ju eléyìí tí mò ń gbà tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ. Torí mo mọ̀ pé kò sí ìbẹ̀rù láti jà padà. Owó BOI dá láti gbà bẹ̀tì nǹkan téèyàn bá gba owó yẹn lé lórí business ní kéèyàn fi ṣe business yẹn ní kéèyàn fi ṣe kéèyàn má fi ṣe nǹkan tó máa ta owó yẹn dá láti lè tó mọ rí return owó yẹn padà. Òun ló dáa jù. Mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ BOI Microfinance Bank so lórí eléyìí tí wọ́n ń ṣe fún wa, lórí ìrànlọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n ń ṣe fún wa. Bí ta bá dọ́dọ̀ wọn tó ń yá wa lówó tá a rẹ̀ fowó yẹn ṣòwò táwa náà rí géènì bẹ́ẹ̀ ta fi fìdí family lórí rẹ̀.
My name is Comrade Jeremiah Obaji Nworo. I'm from Ebonyi. I deal some plumbing materials. We sell GP tank, storage tank, PVC pipe, PPR and the other toiletries. The vision for the business is that they want to be not just number one in Bedigbe, but the whole of Ikrudu. The impacts in the business have been very encouraging, because as at that time we only had one plumbing shop. Though I have my own personal business which is spare parts. Then but from that 2019 to today, we've actually expanded. At least we have three other branches of plumbing materials, which was as a result of the facility.
BOI Microfinance Bank focuses on the base of the pyramid, offering small loans, savings products, and financial literacy to empower those at the heart of Nigeria's informal sector.
Supporting women businesses is not what is new to BOI as a whole, I must say. But in the last 2-3 years, it has come to the fore. It's part of what this current executive management is very passionate about. And you know what they say, when you take off a woman in a home, you take off a community. So we've keyed into that. Not just for youth, technology, not just for climate, not just for double down lending on MSMEs, but also focusing on businesses that are managed by women.
My name is Mrs. Olaniyan Rosemary, and my business name is Rolls Royce Ventures. 15 years ago, 2010, a friend introduced me to BOI Microfinance Bank. I got there and they gave me a soft loan of 150,000, which I started my business with. And from there, I proceeded, and I was paying off, and they were renewing. Every year, they increased the loan. Till this moment, I am. They are still giving me loan. The impact of the loan has been wonderful, splendid. In fact, it has made me to move from retailer. I started as a retailer. It made me to move from sub to a distributor. And it has really helped me. I've imparted into so many people's lives because I brought in people that cannot even feed, that they don't have jobs. So I brought them to the business by giving them some market they sell. In the evening I go, I collect my money, and they are making their own profit too. They are able to send their children to school, even feed their children. In every product I get with the loan, I calculate my profits. So from the profits, I know how much margin, and I know what the bank wants me to repay. So before the end of the month, which is the repayment period, I've already sent in my payments and my savings. BOI Microfinance Bank has done a great job in my life, in the life of my children, and also in the life of so many people because they have enjoyed from it.
My name is Anoluwa. My business name is Etava Limited. I'm the director, and it's a business into food processing, from grains of corn to beans, and then we also do gari, into gari, jebu, and yellow gari. We do beans. We sell all beans. That's Oluye beans. We do beans into bean flour, into peeled beans, and we process corn into powder, corn flour. And I've been with BOIMP for about 6 years or thereabouts to get some funds, some aid and support from BOIMFB. So by the time we were called from BOIMFB, I got there. They told me the requirements. I meet up with the requirement. I got the first loan. That's actually how I got to know about them. And the impact is helped the business to grow, and the business growing is also helped everything, the customer care, the staff, and everything to be better and bigger. When we started with BOIMP, we took I think the least we could take, or the highest I could take, was maybe 5 million, I can't remember. And then because we did well, I could take the highest that BOI was willing to offer. That's, I think, 30 million at a point. And that's what we are doing with BOI currently, with BOIMP currently. And we are doing well with it. And we've also expanded beyond where we started. As at the time, Firo recommended me to BOI for support. I think the business was on like a half plot. That's like 50 by 50 space. And while we're working, I think while the business was increasing, we couldn't cope on that space anymore to be able to continue with the quality that is needed. So we moved from that to a full plot and a half. And after 2 years, we couldn't continue there anymore. And then we moved finally to where we believe it might not even be our final destination, but currently we're on a 1 acre, that's 6 plot site. With so much excitement inside of me, I want to say a big thank you to BOIMFB for the support I have got, with the moral support, the funding support. It has added a lot of value to my business and I.
My name is Kate Alabi, Cairo Kate Alabi. I'm the proprietress of Philabello's Primary School in St. Thomas Green, located at number 2 Olaoye Street, Unity Estate, Iba, Ojo Local Government, Lagos State. We have a school, a place whereby students feel home away from home, a place where they learn, they grow, a place whereby they develop their potential, their talent, because every child matters here. Every child is unique. We believe every child is unique. So we are here to teach them, we are here to grow them, we are here to groom them, to make them become responsible in our country. I'm been in BOI Microfinance for the past 10 years, and we have grown for the past 10 years to become what we are today, because we didn't even have this 2-story story when we started with the BOI Microfinance. We started financing us from the little amount to what we are today, to a great amount that we can be able to, to access a lot, to be able to develop the school. We have our 3 labs, we have a computer lab, we have a CCA lab. We started with 500,000. Now you can access ATU. We started without a very good ambience. We started from them. We pay monthly. We started with a little we have. We pay monthly. We grow over the 10 years. We've used all the facilities given to us to provide the amenities that the Lagos State wants for approval, which has given us help us to get approved. Our staff strength has increased. As of now, both the primary and secondary school, we have about 25 staff strength. And when we started with BOI, we have about maybe, then let me just say,
BOI, without sounding boastful, is the most successful DFI in the country today. So being a subsidiary of the Bank of Industry, we derive a lot of goodwill, a lot of reputation, a lot of brand equity. We have a team of well-motivated staff who have capacity, who know what they are doing, who have passion for their jobs. We know exactly what customers are looking for. So we will have unique experiences. We have unique way of servicing our customers that you can't find in other banks. Not just about the fact that our interest rates are quite competitive. You can't get our interest rates in another place, other banks. Not that we understand the tenor of your businesses. Giving moratorium or grace period, understanding the flow of your business. Not just that, but again, that the fact that we give you a wow experience when you come in contact with BOI MFB. So these separate us from other microfinance banks. These are the reasons why you should actually come to BOI MFB.
Orúkọ mi ni Musa Mustapha Mustako Ventures Limited. Mo rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tó ń ṣe nǹkan dáadáa, tó ń ṣe nǹkan ribiribi. Èmi náà wá wò with the support of BOI Microfinance, wọ́n á lè help me mean an objective tó gbé mi wá síbẹ̀ yẹn pé so láti ìgbà tí mo ti ń gbà ó fún mi ní impact tẹ́ pé èmi gan mi expect ẹ̀. Àwọn customer then wà in a large customer. Mo dẹ̀ ń ṣe wébi fún wọn, wọ́n transfer owó sí mi. Ìgbà tí mo kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ one staff mo ní, but ìgbà tí business ẹ̀ ti ń lọ dáadáa ó ti di mẹ́ta báyìí. BOI Microfinance, mo rí lè dúpẹ́ gidigidi lọ́wọ́ wọn because without them I can't be here.
My name is Juliet Oche Omongiadu. I'm into fish processing and fish production and fish farming, packaging. In fact, I service export companies. Yeah. As you see us here, we are inside. You see many people coming all the way from all parts of Lagos. Federal Ministry of Fisheries in Ikoyi, they have certified us. So they refer a lot of clients to us because they know that we do good quality fishes. When I went to the microfinance, I was like, microfinance, what can they really offer? But I was amazed. They moral support, encouragement, the way the man chatted me up, psyched me up. I became excited with my life again. And they told me, okay, they can only start with 150,000. I said, okay, it's better I start small. Then I was even living in a rented apartment. I didn't have a farm of my own. Then I would just start with like 30 kg. I will buy 30 kilos, smoke, sell, and now I can buy up to 10 tons.
My name is Chibiki Kegwano, the director of God is Faithful Group of Schools, where the mission of the school is to actually produce holistic individuals.
I know GIF for one thing. They are good at shaping children, not just academically. Academically, morally, in short, in all ways. We use different methods to teach our students. We don't just leave the upbringing of the children to the society and to the parents.
We're going into expansion and we need some amount of money. They first gave us the sum of 500,000 and which actually went a long way helping us to take care of the production of school chairs and tables together with the purchase of some school books. They gave us money and also morally, and they actually gave us professional guiding how to manage the money they gave us and how to get it invested, which we applied and it worked out for us. Honestly, the impact has been tremendous because the money they gave us, the one they first gave us, we were able to repay, and when we needed again, they gave us, and we saw that the money assisted the school to the level we are now.
Bank of Industry Microfinance Bank, they've really encouraged us and they've helped us. Most times when I go there, I see that these people are different from the normal bank I visit. They are friendly and they are accommodating.
BOI Microfinance Bank is making it easier for everyday Nigerians to access finance by combining personalized support with the power of technology.
We are soon going to launch our app. It's concluded. We started doing testing in-house, and so in a very short while, our app will be out there, because we understand that we need to come up with various channels to reach out to our customers, and they're out there waiting for us. And this is a new thing that's going to come very, very soon. So we believe that technology is very crucial to our businesses, and we'll be deploying a lot more in years to come. We are situated at number 23 Marina, same building with the Bank of Industry, but we have a lot of loan officers that are out there. The goal is to ensure that in various hubs of the country, we're going to have a very strong presence, being agency banking, not just brick and mortar. We use both tech and touch, that's technology and food soldiers, to reach as many people as possible, to bring the unbanked, the underserved into mainstream financial services. This is the core of BOI Microfinance Bank, and we are pursuing it.
For over 6 decades, Bank of Industry has been here, driving Nigeria's industrial development through financial and business support services to micro enterprises, small and medium enterprises, and large enterprises across Nigeria. Leveraging on strategic partnerships, we provide equipment financing, working capital, and support to enterprises in key sectors of Nigeria's economy, including youth and women-led enterprises. Whatever your business needs, starting up, expansion, diversification, modernization, or rehabilitation, we'll be here, always to support you. Bank of Industry, transforming Nigeria's industrial sector.
Bank of Industry is helping us, in fact, more than helping us, realizing our dreams faster and realizing these benefits, not only for us, also for the community, for Nigeria, for environment, faster. It's not easy to do in a short term, but Bank of Industry helps to make it in very short term. That is the biggest advantage. Yes, helps us to realize our dreams and to realize, to help the environment and the community.
BOI MFB is truly helping Nigerians turn their dreams into reality by ensuring that financial empowerment permeates every corner of our society. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a farmer, a trader, or an artisan, there's support available to you. To learn more about how to access support from BOI Microfinance Bank, visit their office at the Bank of Industry Building, 23 Marina Road, Lagos Island, or go to www.boimfb.com. To watch this episode again or catch up on previous editions, go to YouTube and search Bank of Industry Limited Nigeria. That's it for this week's edition of BOI Impact. I'm Elo Odibumadaki. Thanks for watching.